Like, I was actually able to retire at the age of 22, not by luck, but it was actually a planned strategy. Like, as out of May 2021, I could remember that was before Elon Musk tweeted about the rise of Dogecoin. I woke up in the morning and I decided to download a trading app. Then I bought some Dogecoin, I bought Ethereum, and I bought some other things. And on the third day, that was when Elon Musk actually tweeted about the rise of Dogecoin, and Dogecoin actually increased from 11% to approximately 42%. And I was like, what the fuck is this? Is this a luck or is this something else? And I was just so happy to experience this kind of a thing within myself, and that I'm still making much money than you think. So that was how the whole story was, but everything was just lies. I was actually lying. I'm still this guy in the midst of life trying to figure out what I want to do with myself, but the kind of life every one of us wants is this life we can actually have as early as possible. Every one of us wants to start making $100 at the age of 25. But the question is, when did you start the hustle? Did you start it when you were not born? Like when did you start hustling that you expect to have this kind of instant gratification? I was actually reading a book of Stoicism. I don't know if I got that correctly. And the first chapter of the page was actually talking about you trying to control things within your vicinity. Stop controlling things you can't control. If you actually expect yourself to make like $100 in the next 35 years, it is actually possible. It only depends on the way you look at things. So like, as I am, I don't really think I enjoy comparing myself with other people, because if I should compare myself with Will Smith, I believe he was actually at a point where he was comparing himself with other people. So that was actually the groove that makes me to enjoy the spirit of comparison. The only thing I experience is to be in the present while I was comparing, because I know I will actually be in his presence in some days. Everybody will begin to compare me with themselves, and that is just how life resonates with people. That is just how the movement of life has been. Like, I've stopped myself from stopping to think or stopping to overthink about life, because I actually enjoy the process. But all of this Dogecoin of a thing was actually something I just feel like saying. I have nothing and I worth $0. And like, stop expecting yourself to be at the level you haven't worked for. Stop thinking, okay, you are just gonna be waking up early in the morning at a particular day and then you're gonna be getting to the point you expect yourself to get to. You can't just be in this state of being prosperous and having everything you actually want to have in life, and making everything and be happy with yourself without giving some sacrifice. And the sacrifice is just you giving what it takes. And I am always saying that, like, be ready to give what it takes to get what you want. And I don't know if that is something the universe is actually telling me. So the game of life is not just about something you have to jump into. Like, you need to get prepared for it, bro. Like, you are not just going to be getting into this level you see big people getting into, and then you expect yourself to be there. Like you just want to be spending. My ranting has always been about growth. Like, I don't even know what this video is all about, but everything in quotes is just that don't expect instant gratifications, and any of those things you actually needed, any of those things you actually want for yourself is something you really need to work for.